Hi, this is Securemme 3+3 old regular key without anti-picking. The new one already has anti-picking, traps, guides. The key is narrowed. The decoder is suitable for the old one, for 3+3, CAM, border, also for SAB, lock, and for Securemme. But the new one, Securemme, requires a milling cutter. The cutter is inserted, and in this way, slowly, in the swing, it is completely cut off here. Here it is already cut off. The key then works after it. And now you can insert. If you do not cut, then the decoder will not enter. CAM border with traps is also suitable. The pressure on the tool is not too light, but not too strong either. There are no guarantees for the tool after physical damage. We twist manipulator approximately as much as it allows to twist, tension, and so on. There is a recommendation for anti-picking. Now there is a click. We completely reset. We bring it far, and then we bring it to one position several times. Now we reset it again, bring it far, and to one. The key is mirrored. There is a ruler, so you can easily set the second turn. CAM border work on roughly the same principle.